third pattern release is this beautiful cabled diamond. There are 8 of these panels to knit in total and they help create the corners of the blanket. The pattern is available on knitrowan.com. For these panels you might need a cable needle. It'll be your preference. During the tutorial you'll be shown 2 different methods, one with a cable needle and one without. To start, either pick up and knit the stitches as directed or cast on 116 stitches to knit the panel separately. In this sample we have worked a few rows already so you can start to see the effect. We're going to join the pattern at the start of row 14 and I'm going to use a cable needle for the first section and without a cable needle for the second section. To start with, purl 4, slip the first stitch onto a cable needle and hold at the front of the work, purl 1, and then you're going to knit the stitch from the cable needle. CR2R, slip the stitch onto the cable needle and hold at the back of the work, knit 1 and then purl the stitch from the cable needle. Purl 4, slip the stitch onto the cable needle, and leave at the front of the work, purl 1, and then knit the stitch from the cable needle. CR2R, slip the stitch onto the cable needle and hold at the back of the work, knit 1 and then purl the stitch from the cable needle. Purl 4, CR2L, this time without a cable needle. So you're going to purl the second stitch on the left hand needle. So you go around the back, purl that stitch, but don't take it off the needle. Take the yarn back to the back, knit the first stitch, and then slip them both off the needle. For the CR2R, knit the second stitch on the left hand needle, bring the yarn to the front and then purl the first stitch and then slip them both off. Purl 4, CR2L, purl the second stitch from the back, yarn to the back, knit the first stitch, slip them both off, CR2R, knit the second stitch, leave it on the needle, yarn to the front, purl the first stitch, and then slip them both off, and then purl to the end. Row 15, which is as row 1 of the pattern, knit 5, purl 2, knit 6, purl 2, and keep repeating knit 6, purl 2, until you get to the last 5 stitches. Knit 5, row 16 is another cable row. Purl 5, this time cable 2 back with a cable needle. Slip the first stitch onto a cable needle and hold at the back of the work. Knit 1 and then knit 1 from the cable needle. Purl 6, cable 2 back, this time without a cable needle, knit into the front of the second stitch and then knit the first stitch and slide off. So now you know how to do the cable stitches with or without the cable needle. The choice is yours into which one you choose. I would always prefer to use this without a cable needle when it's only over the 2 stitches. I just find it a lot easier. You can now complete these 8 panels by following the patterns. Don't forget to share your progress with us on social media. Thanks for joining in.